Excellent! Give this one a go! Hi and welcome back to Lorene's Bits and Pieces. I'm Lorene, just like green, just not spelt the same in case you were wondering. And today we have part 2 of our quick and easy series from 4 ingredients to. So without further ado, let's get into our second recipe. Okay my friends, this time it's going to be some gingered carrots. So we've got 6 carrots here. You'll be using some fresh lemon juice, some ginger and some butter. So let's get going. First of all, we need to peel and cut our carrots lengthways. Okay, those carrots can now go into a baking dish. And now we will be mixing our 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice and half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Half a teaspoon ground ginger. Mix those 2 up. Put some salt and pepper in there. Salt and pepper. Here we go. So then we pour this over our carrots. About 2 tablespoons of butter. I just want us to dot that over the top. Now we need to cover and bake. We'll be baking that at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Okie dokie, so the carrots are now out of the oven. They smell nice, they smell like carrots. So let's see what they taste like. Oh, hey, that's really good. Another recipe I had not yet tried, and now I have. I actually really like it. It's got a beautiful piece of like a little slight tartness from the lemon, and there's earthiness from the ginger, sort of a slight spice earth from the ginger, but then there's a real lovely sweetness through that comes through with the actual carrot. Oh yum, that's really tasty. I'm looking forward to having some of these with my dinner tonight. This is going to be great. Excellent. Give this one a go if you like. It's really super easy. Lemon juice, ginger, carrots, bit of butter. That's it. Cooking doesn't have to be hard. Okay my friends, until next time in the next video, be bold, be brave, be you my beautiful friends. Give some simple cooking a go, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.